When I started as an Amazon influencer, I was on the hunt for a tool, that could crack the code finding winning products, but nothing out there fit the bill. After testing every tool I could find, I realized, Helium 10 was the powerhouse I needed, but it was built for sellers. It was just too much tool until now. Yeah, so back in 2021, when I started my Amazon influencer journey, I was searching everywhere for a tool to simplify my product research. I tried all sorts of options, and while Helium 10 was at the top of the list, it was just too robust for what I needed as an influencer. It was packed with powerful tools designed for sellers, and I remember feeling like I was missing out on something big. Fast forward to today, where Helium 10 has launched a tool specifically for Amazon influencers. Finally, the product research game has changed, and we're getting insider level tools tailored for our needs. I'm beyond excited to share how I'm using Helium 10 to find winning products to create videos for. And trust me, this new extension is going to elevate the way we approach the Amazon Influencer Program. So let's jump in the computer and check out the Influencer tab on Helium 10. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little bit about Helium 10. Okay, first of all, we're going to find a search term. Now, always, search terms are always a thing, but if we search for apartment essentials, let's try apartment essentials. All right, we look around for apartment essentials, see if anything. I was actually wanting to look into air purifiers. So now we go to air purifier. We pick this one. We're going to go up to Helium 10. Hit the Helium 10 extension, Amazon product research. And this is what you're normally going to find when you're with the Helium 10 uh, product research. It's fetching the data. Please allow a couple of minutes. So it's, going through and getting all the data on this product. Okay, so this is what you normally would see when you're a Helium 10 account. And when I first came to Helium 10 as an influencer, this is what I saw, and it was too much stuff. Of course, it gives you a bunch of good information here, but it doesn't tell you anything about the videos or anything like that. But if you come up here on the right, see where it says standard. If you drop down there and go to influencer, the magic is going to happen. So now they're going to tell you the bestseller rank, the price of the product, the score for it, right? The influencer commission rate is 4%. You're going to make $1. There's 5 videos in the upper carousel. There's 9 videos in the lower carousel. It's got a 4.6 rating. The review count, 30-day sales is 39,000 sales. Okay, and they're making a hell of a lot of money on this. Now here's where it gets crazy. So this is 5 videos in the upper carousel, 9 videos in the bottom carousel. You might not want to do this, but we're going to drop down here, and it's going to tell you the videos. So you go down here. This one has 1 video and 3 videos in the lower carousel. All right, and it's an 85 score. So we can click that. And we're going to dig down into the rabbit hole. And okay, so now we're going to hit Helium 10 again, Amazon Research Tool, and it's going to give us the information on this item. Now item is $261. It's going to be a nice little commission. So bestseller rank on this one. Okay, so then after it loads, it's going to tell you bestseller rank's pretty high. Price is $216. It's got an overall score of 84. 4% commission on this. You're going to make $9 a sale, which is pretty good. 1 video in the upper carousel, 3 videos in the lower carousel. It's got 1,000 sales a month. Pretty good. Now, what we can do now that's this one right here, right? Because what we can turn here, we can save this to my list. All right. Now up here on the right, you can go to your list and all your saved items will be there. So this is an item I think maybe I might want to buy and set up to do a video for. But let's keep looking. So now we're going to go down and we're going to look down here. Videos in the carousel, 9, 9, 9. So this one has 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So let's take a look at the green air one. Why not? All right, it's a $300 item. Let's go up to Helium 10 and we go to the X-ray tool, product research tool. Click that. Okay, just a $300 item, 4% commission. You're going to make $12 on per sale. 1 in the upper, 1 in the lower, 4.5 rating. Not a lot of sales on this one. We might want to pass on this one, so I'm not going to save it to my list. But let's keep looking. We've got Core Air, there one video, 5 and 7, 5 and 7. You might want to look for something that has like 3 on the top, maybe 8 in the bottom is too much. But 5 and 7 might be something worth doing, right? 5 and 9. So this one's 3 and 8. We're going to take a look at this one. $700 unit. Okay, so there we're going to go right over here to the X-ray tool, the Amazon Influencer X-ray tool. Okay, here's another one. Now 3 in the upper, 8 in the lower. It's only got 89 sales in 30 days, so you might want to not do this one, but we can keep looking for something better. Keep digging. 4 and 4. Let's look at this one. Oh, this is a filter, but don't count out the filter. It's a $35 sale. You don't want to count that out because people will be buying them often. All right, 4 videos in the upper, 4 in the lower. You're getting over 1,000 sales a month. So I'm going to add this to my list as something I might want to purchase. Okay, it's a $36 item. I'm going to stand to make dollar each time it sells. Now I got to realize this is a filter. So for every purifier that's sold, they're going to sell a filter every 90 days for that. So this is an item that's going to sell. All right. Let's keep looking. We'll go down here, going down the rabbit hole. All right. What else we got? 2 and 3. Let's see what this one is. More filters. Okay. More filters, but let's not count them out. $71 product. Okay, here we go again. So it's price is $72, 4% commissions on these high commissions. You're making $3 for every sale. 2 videos in the upper, 3 in the lower, 4.7 rating. It's got a high score over here of 77. It's making 1,600 sales a month. All right, so you stand to make a few sales on this every month. So I'm going to save this to my list as a possible something I'm possibly going to purchase down the line. And we're going to keep going down the rabbit hole to see what else we can find. 4 and 4, I already have that one saved. 5 and 10. See how it's letting me know that I've already looked at this one? Okay, so now 1 and 1, 3 and 3. I haven't looked at this one. Let's look at this one. I might have looked at this one already. These are different. These are different filters. So we're on to filters right now, and you find that that happens when you get down the rabbit hole. You'll get all the same kind of niche products, and one thing leads to another thing. All right, so this one's 4% commission. You're going to get $2 a sale. It's a $60 price. So you buy it for $60. You're going to get $2 a sale. 3 in the upper, 3 in the lower. It's getting 1,200 sales a month. So you're going to get pretty good deal. So I might also do a video of this. I'm going to save it to my list. Remember, now the list's over here. Let's go to my list so I show you. So now all the items that I just added are now on my list that I can go back and check them out and see them and decide if I want to do videos for them or not. But I will say the key, the trick to using tools like this is keywords. Okay, searching in the search bar, long tail keywords like housewarming gifts for new homeowners, housewarming gifts for couples, birthday gifts for small children. What's your niche? Whatever your niche is, but it's going to be a long. What would people search when they were on Amazon looking for a product? So they would be like, I'd be looking for gym shorts for men, or so it's a long tail keyword, and so you're going to be looking for that, and that's how you're going to start the journey down the rabbit hole, and then it's just going down the rabbit hole. So Helium 10 has leveled up the Amazon game with this new product research tool, and I can already see saving hours of guesswork. If you're ready to dive in and find those winning products, don't wait. Use my link and promo code, 20% off your subscription. Jumpstart your product research today and watch how it transforms your Amazon influencer journey. I wish Helium 10 had this influencer option when I started in 2021. And subscribe to the channel. We're going to be digging deep into Helium 10 Amazon influencer research tool, the extension. You're going to download the extension. So subscribe so you don't miss any of it.